This is Mr. Brown and Bass coming to you from Salt Lake City at 1 a.m. in the morning. Audio Architect. I am about to make my high side port for my 6th order bandpass. Probably a little high. Try to meet the roof. This will probably be about 22 inches this way. I'm gonna leave it at about an inch on each side, just because of the roof. And this is probably not gonna be a final port sign. I just wanna play with it. So about 34 that way. Still yet to seal it off. I still want to do some testing to see where it's at. I think it's got a little bit more in it than a 37. Even on a, I don't think I'm getting a full 1,000 watts out of this thing. The battery is only good for like 800 watts, minus the car. So the amp is not very happy. It's a cheap amp. It's an Alliance 4000D, which is a 1,000 watt RMS at 1 ohm, but it does not like 1 ohm for some reason. It gets hot, shuts off. And my lights are strobe lights, so obviously voltage needs to be taken care of. But many improvements. Fuck.